Good morning mga kabuchi. So welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to start our year 2025 diary. So mga kabuchi, for year 2025, we will be naming our playlist as year as weekly diary. So today, nakubaan ko. Tapos si Kamang. So today is our week 1 diary for year 2025. So last year we planted the last seeds of our kuan kani sili bell paper mga kabuchi, but what happened is that the cat buried their poo here. So I tried to clear it down. So this area man good mga kabuchi is soft. The soil is soft because this is from commercial, from from the store. So the cat likes to dig here because it's easy to dig mga kabuchi. It's a soilless mixture. So what happened is that the cat put the poo here mga kabuchi. Though also this area mga kabuchi, only what happened mga kabuchi is that I was able to locate the seedling yesterday. Kana siya mga kabuchi nga seedling. I was able to locate that yesterday when I dig down the holes I have here. And then this one mga kabuchi is very fortunate enough because it was not touched. So what will happen now mga kabuchi is out of the 3 holes that we have, 3 sets of plants that we have, we only have 2. So the other one mga kabuchi, I tried to dig the seedlings but I cannot find them. Only these 2 here mga kabuchi, very lucky because I was able to find them. So I put in this one mga kabuchi as fence so that the miming can no longer dig the portion here mga kabuchi, this portion. And then this is our siling panigang. So I don't know what happened to here. We don't have any germination mga kabuchi. But this one, all 3 seeds germinated. This one, we have 2. You see? 1, that one, then 2. So the other one did not germinate, maybe? I wonder, tingnan na siya. And this one, we have 2. And this one also we have 2. So these are siling panigang. So our first project for our diary this year 2025 are all siling panigang and bell pepper. So the bell pepper will be planted here. And then it says that both plants should not be planted together because they will tend to change the taste of their fruit mga kabuchi. So they will interpollinate and then it will have impact on the taste of the fruit. So my plan is to put the siling panigang in this area, in between the ginger, or I'll put them in this area. In this area na lang siguro, no? And then our beans, string beans, mga kabutchi. So they are already climbing up. The problem is in this area, mga kabutchi, we have kana bitang sa sili di ay nga kuan. So I tried to kill the sili just because they were attacked by the kuan, mga kabutchi. Maranap, I don't know if they can still survive. And then the ampalaya planted in there, mga kabutchi, they're not doing good. So I will not push on planting the ampalaya there because we used to have an ampalaya over there. My plan is to have an ampalaya on this area. So we will check if the seeds that we planted on the other area did germinate. So we have a germination over there. So I think the ampalaya did not germinate, mga kabutchi. So the next plan is to plant an ampalaya here. Here na lang, mga kabutchi. And then we put in a pool. Over there we have a pool. So we will put in. So that will be our assignment this morning, mga kabutchi. So we will be back. And then we will plant ampalaya. So I think we will try to plant 2 ampalaya. And then put in a pool. We will bury first the pool. And then we will plant the ampalaya, mga kabutchi. So that will be our assignment for this morning. So the first thing that we will do, mga kabutchi, is to install the bamboo pool. So I am not planning of digging, mga kabutchi. Asa man akong para dig? What happened to our tools? Wala man. Wala man dili akong para dig, mga kabutchi. It's not in here. It's not in here. So wala tay para dig, mga kabutchi. Saday ka to. This is very, very long. Wrong di ay. Dapat dawi siya. So wrong, mga kabutchi. Dapat diri ako siya gibutang. Trial and error. So, dili na to siya idig. Pero wala man akong para dig, eh. So, I don't have to put this deeper, mga kabutchi. Because this is just temporary. Once the ampalaya will grow, mga kabutchi, the ampalaya will climb on the kuan na siya. the ampalaya will climb on our trellis. So the other one, we'll put it here. Yeah. So this one, mga kabuchi, is from my old trellis that we si pangalan ito? We destroyed. We destroyed. Use it na to. It's very near na mga kabuchi mo to each other. But it's okay. So we dismantled our old trellis, mga kabuchi, to give way to our overhead trellis above. And then I think this is what we call recycle. We recycle this one so that we have something that the ampalaya can climb up to reach our trellis. Okay. So we didn't have to bury that deep, mga kabuchi, because this will be attached to the trellis above, mga kabuchi. The problem is if the ampalaya will also go up. Bala na si ampalaya.
Naglobat ang microphone, mga kabuchi, so mag voice over lang ta because wala naman dai free nga music sa YouTube, no? Mag copyright naman ta. So on this part, mga kabuchi, I am already digging some holes because I am now about to plant the ampalaya seeds, mga kabuchi. So mo na siya, it's an old seeds, mga kabuchi. Actually di siya ingon na the best seeds from my plant, mga kabuchi, but as long as it will bear fruit, so it's okay, mga kabuchi. Our goal, mga kabuchi, is maka-harvest. So as long as maka-harvest na taan na, we will be very grateful. So mga kabuchi, after what we have done, mga kabuchi, after we install the two trellis, mga kabuchi, this is how it looks like, mga kabuchi. So now it is connected to our new trellis, mga kabuchi. So hopefully the ampalaya will not climb up to the top, mga kabuchi. So it will spread its branches, mga kabuchi, over the trellis, mga kabuchi. Because if the fruit will be on the top, mga kabuchi, we can no longer reach in our ampalaya. So also we will check next week, mga kabuchi, if the four ampalaya seeds that we planted here, mga kabuchi, will germinate, mga kabuchi, or else our other option, mga kabuchi, is to plant again. Okay, so mauna to siya.
This is going to be the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.